Hi guys, welcome back to the KDRC YouTube channel. As you can see, we've got next step of the D110 RC4WD Drive Gelande 2 build. Didn't show you me just stripping these down and filling them grease and everything and thread locking them. I'm going to do a video later on the 90, the D90 from RC4WD Drive, stripping them down when I've taken that apart. I'll show you how I re-grease them, clean them out, maybe even throw some more bearings in there. We'll have a look at the condition of that after a couple of years of hard trail running. So that one there, obviously the transfer box, put a couple of bits on the main transmission. Again, grease that up inside, taking all these out and just throwing in some thread lock. I need to do it just on these here as well, but I'll do those later. And got the chassis rails out, just put the mounts on just so they'd stay upright for this. And next couple of steps, you're going to get some chassis braces in there and have a look, and what looks to be a transmission mount as well. So we'll crack on with that now. So we go in the manual. We need a couple of M2 by 10 mil. Here we go. M2 by 10. Yeah, sneakily got these out a little bit earlier. So we'll have a look and see what we need. Got the old magnetic bowl, pretty much indispensable in a build like this, keeping all your stuff together. M3 by 12. I think that's about those. That's M3 by 10s. M3 by 12. Here we are. Let's get a few of those out. We'll put them back later. That'll keep us going for now. Let's get the driver and take the lid off. The old Loctite. Getting it ready for the build up. Okay, so first one is, I believe, this. Again, all metal RC4WD Drive. I believe it goes in this side. Into. Let's have a quick look. Ah, these are turned round now, look in there. So we're actually this way round. Front being over here, look. So that goes into there. There's 3 holes there line up. One of the braces going over. Shows that the little cutout, the recess, to make it a bit lighter, obviously goes there. So let's get one of the larger ones in there first. I think what I'm going to do is get on with this and fast forward through a few of these bits here. So I'm going to crack on with the build and you'll come back to me. I've probably got one side done and we're ready to bolt it together. So I'll see you in a minute, guys. Okay, so come back to this one. We've got the next part in. We've got this tray here. So have a quick look. Here we go, look. It's got a little cutout on the end there. See that? Ah, there we go, yeah. That's it. That slots into there. Look, it's already cut out in here. RC4WD Drive again, making everything really easy to go together. That just sits in there and bolts in. Another M3 by 10 this time. Let's get a bag of those. M3 by 10. Just the 12s. Early M2. M3 by 12. M3 by 10. Here we go. Again, guys, just the tools make your life so much easier here. Just get yourself a good quality set of tools. I've had mine here for years, but I do replace the tips on them. There's an old handle, look, but I do replace these tips quite often. These are just great bits of kit, make your life so much easier rather than trying to use just a normal set of Allen keys. So I would recommend to anybody getting a decent set of tools to do any of these builds. Okay, on to the next step here. Ah yeah, this one here. I was said in the unboxing that how they make this the 110 a bit longer is they actually stretch it out from the back. Transmission stays in roughly the same place. They put another shaft in there. I think that was in this box. This little tub up here, guys. Yeah, this as well. When you're doing a build, just get all your stuff out. A little tote box. Look, get all your screws and everything nice and neatly laid out. I've pre-made up all the shocks. Sorry, the links. The shocks are in here as well, but I'm going to use some other ones later in the build. So it just makes your life so much easier to have everything laid out. Yeah, this little fella here, look, just like an extension. I've got some bearings with it, which I presume will go in here. Look, we'll do that in a bit. Let's not jump ahead of ourselves. Let's get on with this here. Another M3x10. Probably going to be a bit boring for you guys, so I will have a look at the video when I'm playing it back and see if we need to skip through a few of these bits. But hey, some of you might like to sit and watch, so I might leave it in there. So we'll look round. In here, obviously this is offset. Look to one side, longer than the other on one side. So where can we get a good view? Ah, there we go. Look up against the white background. So obviously it's recessed in there. It's got a little flange inside there to hold the bearing in. So it's reset off to one side. So the longer side goes to this side. So I hope you're enjoying this build with me. I love building these trucks up. I really do, especially from RC4WD drive. It's such a pleasure to build. It's probably why I've got 3 of their trucks sat here. Actually 3 of the Gelande 2s sat here in the workshop now. This will be the 3rd. So there we are, that bit. And this here, the transmission mount. Got that machining that's gone into that. Really nice bit of kit. Let's get a bit of reflection on it. Look, there we go. Look. Yeah, really nice bit of kit that. Let's get that in there now. Got them M3x12s. Now those bigger guys that are over here. Okay. Of course, like guys, if you and girls, sorry, if you want to, it'd be great to see your builds. You can add me on Facebook as well. Try loading a link to it, but I don't know if it actually worked in the old YouTube. I'm pretty new to this whole videos and YouTube scene, so if at any point it's not going quite how you think it should, give me a shout. Always open to suggestions on how we can change it up and get it working even better for you guys. So that should, in theory, go in there. Look. So look how we're getting on with that one. Look. Ah, yeah, there we go. It's me. So yeah, if there's anything you think I need to do, change, any questions you want to know, just post up a comment. Honestly, yeah, it'd just be nice just to get your feedback on it, so I know what you want to see, what you don't want to see. So I'll do this kind of like together, really. I can start doing stuff that you guys want to see. But for now, this is my main focus of this build at the minute. Got a couple of other little things as well on the go, so I'm going to strip down the 90. And that project, if you look on one of my other videos, I've got a project RC4WD drive Gelande 2 cruiser. So that will be finished hopefully in the next month. I'll get all 3 of them actually up and running again. It'd be nice to have all 3 going at the same time. Hey, look at this, look, we're almost ready for the actual main transmission to go in. So there we go. One M3x10. Okay, it's these guys. Yeah. Make sure we get this round. That'd be rather round the right way. It'd be a bit embarrassing if we don't, eh? Okay. Yeah, here we go. Oh, look at that, look. Tiny little pin on the side of the transmission. Don't know if you can pick that up. Try and get it for you. There you go. Yeah, see that? On that little plate. I'll locate, by the look of it, into somewhere here. Yeah, it sure does. That just slots in there. Like that. I'm going to screw this one in here. Trying to do this with a screw in the other hand as well, which probably isn't the best idea, Kevin. There we go. Telling myself off. Oh, that's interesting. There's a little cutout in the chassis, which means it's not quite the same as the D90. Let's just pull that down and have a quick look at the differences. Just pulling down the body, the Gelande. Let's see if we can get it in there and have a quick look. Yeah, I don't know if you can pick that up in there. Right down in the gubbins in there, look. There isn't a cutout on in this original one here, so that's a good addition. Didn't realise they'd done that, but yeah, that's really good. See, that's a good thing about RC4 Drive. They always innovate and update. If you've got any issues, they're always open for you to give them some feedback. So